Here's the real brutal truth about your passive income dream. They promise you this automatic cash while you sleep, an empire built on weeks. But the reality, you're burnout, your profits are gone, you feel more trapped than you ever did at your 9 to 5 job. You were sold a dream, but you're living a whole nightmare. In this video, we're exposing the passive income fantasy. More importantly, I'm giving you a real strategy to build something that lasts. First, the myth that it's passive. Gurus sell you the dream of making money while you sleep, but they forget to mention the years of grueling work it takes to even get a chance at that. What they call passive is actually leveraged income. You do the work up front, you build a system, but that system needs constant maintenance. The work never truly stops. And second, the lie that you can get rich by copying their secret system. Well, hell, if their blueprint was so great, why would they sell it for $997 instead of just using it? Because selling of the course is their business. By the time you use their template, the market is saturated. And third, the myth, it's a low-risk game. Gurus brag about the wins, but they never discuss the thousands of dollars spent on the courses and the ads before turning a profit. And most significant, the risk isn't money, it's the toll that takes on your mental health. So if the dream is a lie, what is the truth? You have to stop chasing passive income and start building a scalable business. Gurus sell you tactics such as drop shipping, but these tactics often die out. A real strategy is timeless. A scalable business is about creating real value and then building a system around that solution. The goal isn't to be passive, it's to have leverage. And here's the blueprint. First, stop chasing trends and start solving problems for a specific group of people. Become a specialist in something. Second, invest in high-value skills before you invest in products. This allows you to earn an active income right away. Third, treat it like a real business, not a hobby, by reinvesting the profits to fuel the growth. Finally, build system, document, and automate your process to enable effective task delegation and ensure efficient workflow management. This is how you create more proper leverage. The dream of financial freedom is absolute, but the path the gurus sell is a fantasy. The absolute path isn't a shortcut. It's about creating real value by solving real problems, mastering skills, and building a system that gives you proper leverage. It's not passive, it's purposeful, and it's achievable. If this resonates with you, hit that like and subscribe button. I want to hear from you. So drop a line in the comments below and let me know your most significant passive income lie you've ever fallen for. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. This is Scott. As always, peace and progress.